Hi everyone, nice to see you again today. Uh, and I would like to talk about very important aspect that today, in fact, WHO also has announced, and the topic is about it is likely that more people will die due to hunger post corona incidents. Now, I really feel it is very important for each one of us to understand that the importance of preserving food is very important. A long back, I heard a story. I don't know whether it is true or not. In Germany, uh, in a restaurant, few Indians were sitting and they were having their food. As most of us have a habit, they ordered a lot of food and they could not consume it. So they decided to leave it. They asked for the bill. One lady was sitting in the corner and she was watching these Indian people having food, and she came to them and she said something to them. While she was speaking in German language, uh, Indians could not get that. So she was insisting on they should have the food, they should eat the food. So the restaurant person came in between and he started translating what that lady was saying to them, and the visitors were very angry. They were telling that lady that why should I eat the food when I don't need. The lady was telling them, no, in our country you cannot face the food. We cannot disrespect the farmers. If you have order, you must eat. And if you will not been able to eat, then why did you order? Why you want to waste something that our farmers have produced? Finally, they called police, and police told them that if you cannot consume food what you have ordered in our country, it is likely that you will be prosecuted. Now, the reason behind I am telling this story is that WHO has announced, released a press note today itself, and they have said that it's feared that more people will die due to hunger after this corona effect, as a aftermath of this corona. Now, I just want each one of you to be responsible for the food that you have, and I want you to be very responsible for consuming or ordering only that much of food which you can consume. Please do not, please do not waste the food. World needs it right now. World is going through a different phase, and you need to be very responsible for your food habits. Do not waste a single grain of food, single grain of anything that you are consuming. Preserve as you can. This is not only time to consume, preserve food, preserve money, preserve assets, but this is the time to preserve the food on this earth also. So, in your family, people around you, educate them to preserve the food so that that may be available for those who really need it and they are sleeping hungry. So, till today, till tomorrow morning, observe your eating habits, observe your food habits, and please remember that food preservation is preserving food or not wasting food is also very essential in this moment. World needs food right now. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you can pass this on to many people, you may end up in serving many hungry people on this earth. Thank you very much.